First, press the programming switch located on the back of the door. Start key to move forward. Pound key to go backwards. A to enter. C to back out. Number 1 goes up within a submenu. Number 2 goes down within a submenu. Number 3 and number 4 scrolls you to the next digit once you're already inside a submenu. Press B to exit programming. Press the programming switch, then scroll with the start key until you see the option checking motors of the machine. Press A to enter. Then, select the option master machine by pressing A, or scroll with number 1 to select auxiliary 1 or 2, depending on how many machines are hooked up to the master machine. Move motors of channels will show up on the screen. Press A to enter the option. Adjust the voltage up or down with the number 1 or number 2 to move the motor, up being the strongest and low being the weakest. Then press A to enter and select the motor you like to move. But first, you need to understand the motor layout in your machine. Vision models come with the capacity of 8 tray plugs, which allows you to move motors around and reprogram channels as needed. Starting from the lower connection, this plug is always number 11, followed by number 12, then plug number 13, and so on with number 14, plug 15, plug 16, plug 17, and finally plug 18. This numbers never change unless you are programming an auxiliary machine. Now you know the layout of the tray plugs 11 through 18. You also need to know that each tray contains 7 connectors. Starting from left to right, motor plug 1, motor plug 2, motor plug 3, motor plug 4, motor plug 5, motor plug 6, motor plug 7. Now we can understand that the first 2 numbers shown on the screen represents the tray plugs, in this case, tray plug number 16, followed by a third number, which represents the actual motor plug, in this case motor plug number 1. This is why the screen will always ask you the tray plug numbers, and then the motor plug number, which is represented as 161 on the screen. Press A to enter. Then, hold number 1 in order to move the channel requested on the screen, which is plug 16, motor plug 1, represented as 161. Then press C to back out. If you like to know what motor is next, all you have to do is press the start key and the machine will automatically find the next motor connected on that tray. Press A to enter. In this case, the motor plug 1, 6, 2 jumped into 1, 6, 4, which means tray plug number 3 is not being used. Hold number 1 to move the motor. Press B to exit programming.